Alright, peoples. So, got the cable connected. It's in. Man, it's shifting good. Shifting real good. I gotta figure out how to, bring that back and then hit that button. Hit this button and trigger it forward. And then it's hooked up underneath. Everything hooked up underneath. Cable hooked up. And so it's good there. Good there. Working back in the back. Tightening down right now. The cover, perfect launch cover. So right now I went to did all the bolts. I did them at 10 foot-pound. They call for 25 foot-pound. So I like to step it up, man, when I'm using a torque wrench. So, you know, do a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna do 10. Then I'm gonna probably, I don't know if I'm gonna go to 20 and then hit the last 5, or you can go to, 15 or something and then hit the last 10. So, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So I need to finish that up. After that, literally it's just a matter of putting some brake fluid in the reservoir. I got my oil pressure gauge that came in, a little cheap gauge that I'm gonna hook up and probably just kind of like lay on the motor somewhere. I ain't gonna even hold you. It ain't gonna be one of them situations where I'm about to be running it all over the place. I just want to see if I got oil pressure for the time being. So I'm probably just gonna zip tie it up here somewhere, man. Just so we can see that damn thing is getting oil pressure. As long as it's getting oil pressure, it's great. We can move forward. So that's literally it. It ain't gonna take no time to hook that up. None. So that's literally it, y'all. After I get some brake fluid and stuff in, we're gonna drop this thing and we're finna take it out down. We're finna take it for a little ride just to make sure it's gonna be open exhaust, open header. So it's gonna be loud. So yeah. So let me get back to it. You did. Stay tuned.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore.
Alright, so I'm installing the oil pressure sending unit right now. For this temporary gauge that I'm gonna put in here And like literally guys, I'm gonna make this little gauge hookup joint straight, simple, easy. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy. I'm going to literally keep it inside the engine bay. And I'm gonna just route the wires where I need to route them. Because this is gonna come out once the car gets back from paint.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, so oil pressure gauge hooked up. Like I said, it's just a temporary little situation. Now I can see what's happening with the car. So, give y'all a quick little look. And like literally I hooked it all up right in this area. I hooked the switch up, and then I hooked up the ground right here, and I just tied in the power straight off of the ignition wire. So now we can see what kind of oil pressure we got going on. And if I crank it again, you feel me? You feel me? So, man. And I'm gonna take that off when the car come back, you did. So don't be in here talking about, oh man, you can't leave that right there, you know, whoa, 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 it's gonna get overheated and all that good stuff. Bruh, chill. Chill. So, I think that's it. That's literally it. Except for taking this tire off, getting a tire for it. That's first thing in the morning. I actually pumped the brakes. And it's spongy, but it got some type of brake, so it might be alright. You put the fluid in the rear end, get this tire, we dropping it, and we ready to go. You did, so stay tuned.